drum. The first line is 1、2、3、4、5、6、7、8。1、2、3、4、5、6、7、8。Now, let's write on the drum using the speed of one hand. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Now, let's increase the speed to 110. Ready? ，This is the end of today's class. Please remember to like and subscribe. Also check out our Facebook and TikTok page. We go by the name of Mandarin Chinese Arts Group. Hope you enjoyed my class. See you next time. Goodbye.